You too. You're doing the intro this time. Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S coming to you from Sector 47A, July 27, 2019. Okay, where are we? That, right behind us, is called Tech Green. Where's this? We're on Georgia Tech's campus. Okay, we're on Georgia Tech's campus. We are at the G. Wayne Clough Undergraduate Learning Commons, Georgia Tech, Atlanta, Georgia. What are you doing? I'm putting you away. What do you expect? Any final thoughts before we go in? Why would I say anything about this? Well, I guess since you didn't experience what I experienced here, you can't really rant about anything. What are you talking about? That's a long story. So it looks like the building is open, so yay. Here we go. It's empty in here. Oh, there's some people coming in. Ow! Dash. Here's a vending and ice machine, H2O, and recycling. I love that a lot of places on Georgia Tech now do recycling. And more places should, honestly. And I believe you remember these elevators right here. Very first elevators I uploaded to YouTube. I wanted this for my 5th time filming this, and I do have a deleted video of these, so. ThyssenKrupp Synergy Traditional, I believe this is the 300E model, as it's a 2011 install. Elevator 3. Focus. There might be someone on it though. Oh, maybe not. 5. See, 6R and 5R are both locked off. Watch the indicator. You're at 5. Clink, clank, clunk-a-dunk-a-dunk. Door close does not work. They replaced the flooring in this one, probably just because it has a rear door and mechanical stuff comes through some. You've got it. Okay, I don't know if I caught that on camera, but it pulled the 2-speed acceleration thing. It did that the last time I got a good video here at least. Okay, so I can legally name a problem with each elevator now. So, yes, as I said, these things have gone downhill badly. Let me explain the problem. 2-speed acceleration and bad clunking problems, door problems, capacity problems, also door problems. They've sort of fixed the door problem in this one, but maybe not. You're at 5. Ooh, hard acceleration there. Clank. Take a look around up here, shall we? Level 5. I'll go on the rooftop just so I can show you it. I gotta be quite quick though because I'm running a bit low on time. So I heard there is wasp nest problems out here, so I gotta be a bit careful. Again, Tech Green. That loops around back there. Oops, something fell. Oh, that's my That's the old key card. I did not stay at Marriott Marquis, but my parents did, so they gave me the room key for my collection, and I'm not selling them. I may be dumb, but I'm not stupid. Let's go inside after this, because I haven't been in this part of Clough yet. Quite good view from the top. See, what can I see from here? Oh, I can get a really good view from over here. Okay, what do I see? What do I see? Entryway. That is a lot of buildings. Over there is Tech Square, and I wonder what that building is. Click there for some ThyssenKrupp twins. Yes, I have filmed a TK twin. It's an entryway going down. Really? So yeah, I'll demonstrate something on the second floor, but they actually have a lot of these hallways named like a transit system, which is quite interesting. So it's like all study rooms back here, some classrooms. Another study area over here. I'll demonstrate the next one. Looks like a lab pickup. Here's another atrium here. I don't remember the name of this one, but look down to the second floor. And that looks like more office. Ooh, can I look down from there? Offices there. Would be a nice place to work. I could view. Horizontal shading. I honestly don't need these lights, but they're on. If I could turn them off, I would. 587, 589 there. You'd in the Tenenbaum atrium. One little thing I want to point out. I wonder what this staircase setup looks like. Well, according to what I've seen in the one of the Towers Hall, whatchamacallit's the something weekly. Ooh, I got the one I wanted. Apparently, these staircases are designed to look like Hogwarts. Now watch this. I don't know if it's gonna do the same problem it did last one of the time I demonstrated it, but if it does, I'm gonna freak. It behaved itself. So when I get down to 1, I'll explain to you what this thing did. Oh, going up?
Hey, how you doing?
Doing great. Which one are you going to?
3.
3? Okay.
Thank you.
I'm just an elevator enthusiast. Don't mind me.
Oh, okay.
These are the first elevators I ever uploaded, so.
Okay.
Level 2. 238757. That was level 2. Thank you, sir. Give you into the atrium. Quite nice. It's empty here, so. Level 2, as I've said. Here's a map, but it's not the map I'm looking for. I'm looking for this map over here. There's a Starbucks right there, which is closed right now, and there's a security console. I never got the point of that. Like, you don't have to sign into this buildings, so... Maybe I just watch the security cameras, I don't know. Notice here, West Line, East Line, Loop Line, Grand Stair. Cool, isn't it? So now we're gonna take the, let's take the elevator down, shall we? I'm just gonna demonstrate this here. They replaced this button with a blue button. Got this one. I'm gonna switch this direction real quick. Down to 1. 4,500-pound capacity. Here we are at 1. Here's the control panel. 131. Our buttons we're going to replace soon. Anyways, let's walk back outside. Oh, some restrooms there. I think I've used those before, actually. Oh, sorry. Do some editing here, but I'm fine with that. So G. Wayne Clough was the president of Georgia Tech from 1994 to 2008. Let's see if I can pause if you want to read that. I'm going to head back out here. Again, look at this. Wouldn't you want to go to school here someday? Honestly. No, seriously, I kind of want to go to school here for college. So somewhere over there is the Clough building with more sandwiches, except those have Aurora. Yeah, that's an extremely rare variant that I don't think anyone's ever actually seen before. Click up there for the video. It's quite new too, so... Anyways... Bike share, that'll be it. So I realized I never explained what elevator number 1, the one that I was talking about, did to me. So here's what it did. So I was heading down from 5 to 2, and because it was a really busy time, a bunch more people got on. Because that thing has a 4,500-pound capacity, that thing can logistically hold about 22 people, so I let everyone on. And then, someone else hit 1. It was heading down from 5. Right before it hit 2, it pulled a power stop. All the calls canceled. I legitimately thought I got stuck in an elevator off camera, and legally you could say I did. So I pressed 2, and then 1. Still nothing happened. I hit door open. It moved down like a few inches, and then it opened up. So I don't exactly know what happened there. I think it was a controller glitch, because... Oh, it wasn't the first time that thing pulled that power stop incident within the last 5 weeks. Apparently, it happened twice within the last month. I don't know. I think that problem has since been fixed, but I'm not sure because I haven't been there for a while. It's been a week, so... Anyways, thank y'all for watching, and thank you for 1 year on YouTube. Oh, here's a little video of the door problem that elevator number 2 had. What the heck?